Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you a way to get free stock images into your emails. Now, this is through the GetResponse platform. You can join it free through my link below. You get 30 days of all the premium features of this email marketing platform, and you can also get it free for life with a bunch of features, and you can easily grow your email list that way before you start investing into your list. So let me show you this amazing feature. Once I get logged into the GetResponse platform here, I just simply go to email marketing, and from there I can create a newsletter. I'm going to choose by myself, and I'm going to title this message Get Response Test, and I can do this later. I'm just going to show you the design and content for now. You can access that part later, and you get access to pre-designed templates here. So there's a bunch of them that are set around a theme here. As you can see that they go on and on and on. Let's take skincare. Use this template. They all look amazing. It just depends what you actually want to do with it. So here we slip in an image block, and then we're going to hit browse. And here it says free GetResponse images. So we're going to type in facial cream and see what it comes up with. So you see there's tons and tons and tons of images. This is really impressive for just a free stock images, and you can see it's showing 60 of 2,664. So this is truly amazing. We're going to use this one, and it's going to immediately spruce up our email. There we go. Let's try to add another one. We're going to slip in this time. These are the basic blocks. We can also have sections here, and we'll add another image right here. We're going to browse for the image, and here we're going to say somebody is like running, they're really into sports, running outdoors. Let's try that. So we're going to search for another one. Let's see, with running outdoors. Okay, so here we see people with really nice skin. They're healthy, they're fit, they're active. We're going to choose to use this image in our email template, and just like that, we have a great advertisement. And all you just have to do is, if you're running a skincare company, just to change this for your particular brand. Let's say it's called, I don't know, tropical skin, something like that. And so you can customize this how you want. These links, you can point them back to your website. You can change this pricing. You can change any of these links here. You see they're all links, and you can link up all your social media, etc. and set this up as a template, so you don't need to do it every time. So that's what I wanted to show you. Basically is the access to this incredible image gallery from GetResponse. You get access to tons and tons of royalty-free images. If you want to try GetResponse, go to the link below, and you'll get access to that 30-day full feature trial that I was talking to you about. And through that, you also get a lifetime access to the GetResponse platform, which includes a website builder and landing page builder, all for free. So with the free plan, you get to send up to 2,500 different emails. So if you're just getting into email marketing, you're starting to build up your list, but you don't want to pay out a huge amount per month, you can start for absolutely free and get access to the stock photos that I was talking to you about, and grow your email list as long as you don't send over 2,500 emails per month. And so it's a great way to get into email marketing and have access to tons and tons and tons of stock photos to promote your business. So thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you on the next video.